Hello Cloud Gurus and Happy New Year and welcome to AWS This Week. And we have some very cool announcements this week, including AWS Step Functions now supports PrivateLink, Deep Learning Containers now include Tensorflow 2 support, new enhancements for moving data between Amazon FSX for Lustre and S3, and we announce our Guru of the Week. You're watching AWS This Week with me, Faye Ellis. AWS Step Functions now supports PrivateLink, allowing you to access step functions without using the public internet. And if you haven't used step functions before, they enable you to build applications by stitching together services like Lambda, Fargate, and SageMaker to create workflows where the output of one step becomes the input into the next. So by using PrivateLink, you can now access step functions while keeping your network traffic within the Amazon network using VPC endpoints. And your network architecture is significantly simplified because you no longer need to use an internet gateway or a NAT gateway to connect to step functions. AWS Deep Learning Containers are now available with Tensorflow 2 support. And if you're not familiar with Deep Learning Containers, these are Docker images which come pre-installed with deep learning frameworks to make it really easy to deploy machine learning applications using SageMaker, Elastic Container Service, or Elastic Kubernetes Service. And with this new release, the TensorFlow team have really taken on board feedback from the machine learning community as a whole and have worked to make TensorFlow 2 much easier to use for both beginners and experts with simpler APIs as well as better Python integration. And this is great news for all the machine learning experts out there eagerly awaiting TensorFlow 2 support for SageMaker. There are some great announcements for moving data between Amazon FSX for Lustre and S3. And if you haven't used FSX for Lustre before, it's a high-performance file system suitable for machine learning and high-performance computing workloads. And the file system is actually backed by S3. So there are two big announcements. Firstly, you can now synchronize file data, permissions, and even symbolic links for files transferred from FSX to S3. And secondly, they have quadrupled the speed at which file metadata is imported from S3, which means you can now launch an FSX file system 4 times faster than before. So on to Guru of the Week, and the correct answer this week is A, and the person with the best answer is Mohammed Yusuf. And Mohammed is a systems analyst at Accenture in Edinburgh. So congratulations to Mohammed. There's a Cloud Guru t-shirt sticker and hand-signed card on their way to you in the post, and you are also in the draw to win the free ticket to reInvent 2020. Please see the link below for this week's question, which is now live in our forum. And that is all from me. You've been watching AWS This Week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, and we'll see you next time.